Hello there, how are you? Alright, it's another vlog from our trip. The reason why I've chosen now to do this is because we just entered our first rain shower. See? Look. See the water rolling up the windshield? That's a rain shower. It's raining. Some guy's putting a shirt on. So I think it was a guy. So, driving along in the rain, and you would think, now John's got a lick of sense, he's playing with the phone while he's driving in the rain.
I agree.
Yeah, but see, John ain't got any sense at all.
You know that.
Yeah, let's turn on the windshield wipers, show how they work. I'll go to the back ones. There's the front one. There we go. Do it again, there we go. I bet that's irritating on the eyes. See, this is our sunroof. Look at that for a second here. Alright, well, now notice on the GPS doesn't say it's raining. Alright, now that was just above and beyond with all the ceilings, wasn't it? Alright. Well, just wanted to show you. It's raining out here. That's all.